Hello guys, this is a tutorial for the makeup that I fell asleep in last night. I'm starting with a wet washcloth to wipe my face and to wipe my new nose piercing, which has been bleeding recently. I keep my makeup in this cool vintage box. Girl, I'm gonna pop this pill and forget about you. I'm using MAC's Fix Plus serum spray thing to start. I love this stuff. I'm also using Strobe Cream by MAC for that under the foundation shine. I actually don't use foundation, I use concealer. I put it on the back of my hand to sheer it out. Then I start by putting it on the eyes as a primer because I start with the eyes first. Excess concealer gets blended down the sides of my nose like a contour, and then I set the eyes with a little bit of powder. I mixed two blushes today, the Bobbi Brown and the e.l.f. blush, because the e.l.f. has a little bit of highlight in it, and I just put it on my nose and the apples of my cheeks. I used the sponge with the concealer on it to sheer it out and some powder to veil. With the eyes, I'm wiping a shimmer by Maybelline on the inner corner and about to the center of my eye. Then I'm starting with a brown shade from the Ulta chocolate whatever palette. Just any brown shade will do. I use the shade I use to contour, and I'm just kind of working that into the temples in a bit of a wing shape. Also, my earring fell off. I ignored it. I'm taking it from a wing into the center of my eye to begin to blend it with the shade of the shimmer, and then I'm taking a darker brown and applying it where I would eyeliner. And I'm just deepening the outer corner's depth right now. Oh, I also decided to do a nose contour. It was not great today, but I just do the bridge and two lines about on the natural contour of my nose. You can't see what I'm doing because of my hand, but I'm taking some black eyeshadow from Sephora, best black I've ever tried, and I am kind of winging that out. As you can see, it is a messy wing, like it's gonna get blended out later. And I take that just to the inner corner. I'm not gonna wear eyeliner today, so it just gives a little bit of inner corner depth. There's me doing the blending that I promised, blending it out. I don't know if you can tell, but I also packed a little eyeshadow down under my eye. It's eyeliner. I'm starting from about the center of my eye. Sometimes I start at the inner corner, but today I'm starting at the center to just emphasize the back half of my eye, and I'll leave the inner corner mostly light with the tiniest bit of black on the waterline from the eyeshadow we did earlier. I'm also taking some concealer and just blending the edges of that upwards so it looks a bit sharper. This is the best part. I'm taking a highlighter by NYX and I'm using it as a shimmer shade. Oh, that's the same Maybelline one. I just put it in the inner corner again. Then here's the shimmer shade I'm using. And that basically, it makes like a faux cut crease. Then I highlight Cupid's bow, nose, and bridge of nose. Oh, also eyebrow. I did lips and mascara off camera, but you're gonna want to pop that on, and then I'm just going in and reinforcing my blush, but this is really the look. For the lips, I just did kind of a nude, a bit of a darker nude, and boom. Thanks for watching, loves.